Hey guys, this is HP Envy Inspire 7220E. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can copy, scan, print with this printer. This printer uses ink cartridges 303. You can connect this printer using HP Smart Wireless integration, connecting with your Wi-Fi network. You can print from computer on the same network from anywhere in the house. It is compatible with Apple AirPrint iOS device. You can still use USB cable connection. This printer comes with 3 months of instant ink. You need to connect this using HP Plus, but it is not compulsory. With automatic two-sided print for fast printing and increase your productivity. You can work, learn, and create with a printer that tackles anything from high-quality photos to office documents. It helps you save time and paper with automatic two-sided printing. You can conveniently print photo in variety of size with a built-in photo tray. Use HP Smart app for easy multitasking and wireless printing from your smart device. With this printer, I have option for borderless printing functions: print, copy, fast, and scan. Maximum paper size is A4 paper. Paper size have A4, A5, A6. Paper tray capacity up to 150 sheets of plain paper. Printing resolution 1200 by 4800 dpi. Printing speed 14 prints per minute for monochrome and 9 print per minute for color. Scanning resolution 1200 dpi. So let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make informed choice. This is information pack. Power cable. This is 3-pin power cable. Ink cartridges included, triple color and black 303. Can see what it looks like. At the back here, the power cable goes to the bottom and the USB port is covered with a paper. So if you want to connect this with USB, you need to remove the paper. So this printer, I can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and with USB cable. So this is where the USB cable goes. This is the scanner, flat-bed scanner, LCD screen, paper tray. The ink holder is by the side. Once you switch it on, it will position itself. So this is the button casket, inbuilt photo paper. You can load 5x5, 13x13 centimeter, 4x6, 10x15 centimeter, and 5x7, 13x18 centimeter photo paper. Then you load A4 on the bottom. you switch this printer on and off from this button. To set this up, so take your power cable, connect it to the power cable port at the bottom one. Plug it on to the socket. You can see the Wi-Fi light is highlighting here, means that this printer is in a wireless mode. Now the next thing you need to do is select your language, English. You have selected English, your language. You need to confirm it. Select confirm. Then you select your region, United Kingdom. The next is get HP smart software. So you go to 123.hp.com, then download software, or you go to your mobile phone, go to your Play Store, download HP Smart App. To install the ink, you need to open up the printer, lift the cover up. Now this is the ink cartridges position, so this is where it goes. The black goes to the right, the colored one goes to the left. So the colors, you can see the sticker here, the colors go to the left, the black goes to the right. And this printer, the pin number is here. If you have any paper jam, open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris, then put the cover back. So now we're going to install the ink cartridges. So this is 303. You need to pull off this plastic. Then you go in. The colored one goes to the left. So you need to go in. You need to pull the ink upwards. And it's in. Then you take the black. Remove this plastic, then you go in, push it in, and the ink cartridges are installed. Then you close the printer. Use your mobile phone to scan the QR code. Then you select open. So this is HP Smart App. So once you scan the QR code, it will show you HP Smart App. You need to get this app from App Store or Microsoft Store. So install HP Smart App. This app is already installed on my phone. This is the app. Now what I want us to do is I want us to load the paper tray. So you open up the paper. So we're going to load A4 paper. So take decent amount of paper you want to use. Then you go in. This is A4 paper. Then if you want to load photo paper, you need to bring out the photo tray. So this 4x6 photo paper, then you take decent amount. Now in this sort of printer, the glossy part need to face down, the rough part need to be up. To load the paper, you take the paper, position it on the center, then adjust it. This is 4x6 photo paper. So this is how to load the paper, 4x6. So any particular photo you are using, so you need to make sure that is within the angle. So this is 4x6. Rough part need to be up. Then you select OK. So this is how to load the paper.